If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. If you enjoy cryptocurrency related content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. Guys, so XRP is up about 2% today, a nice forward price movement today, and there's a lot to talk about as far as price action, but I'm also going to talk a little bit about the fundamentals in this video, so stay tuned for that. Now, as far as technicals go, what we see here, you can see on this chart, we have red raindrops, we have green raindrops, and we have purple raindrops. Purple raindrops indicate typically either support or resistance levels, okay? Support or resistance levels. That's how these raindrops work. These are different than normal candlesticks. And by the way, if you want to get this software, TrendSpider, link is in the description. Do not miss out. If you want to start trading, you want to start investing in cryptocurrency, get TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. Yeah, so if you want to get it, again, just check out the description. I'll have it linked there. But these purple raindrops that we have over here, these will indicate support and resistance levels. So the past week, we saw XRP slowly declining. Have we hit a support level at about 30 cents or 29 cents, I think was a technical support level? That would be a key thing to take into consideration if you're a trader, right? So this could be positive because traders will know, hey, we put in the bottom, right? We put in the bottom at 29 cents. So buying XRP above that, we're safe at that level. That's what traders, when they're looking at this chart, they're going to be saying to themselves, okay? So XRP at 29 cents was a bargain because that is the support level, and that's something that people are going to be looking a lot at. As far as Bollinger Bands go, there's not a lot I could say. There's a false positive over here with this red candlestick breaking through. That was a false positive for a buy signal, so I hope most people ignored that. I did ignore that, so I didn't purchase on that. But most of the Bollinger Band, as far as everything goes, we're in a constricted Bollinger Band right now. Not a lot I could say about that. Another positive sign I wanted to talk about was the MACD indicator. We did have a bullish crossing right over here. So we saw the blue line go above the orange line. To put it as simply as possible, that's bullish. And you could look at that back over here. Look, when the blue line went above the orange line, look at the price of XRP. It was way, way up. So when that happens, that indicates bullishness. Okay, so keep that in mind that right now, at least in the short term, we're looking very positive. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to last into tomorrow, but that's something you need to consider, that we're looking fairly bullish on XRP. So I hope nobody is selling XRP right now. Next up, we have the markets today. Markets were up mostly today. Bitcoin was basically flat on the day. Ethereum up a nice 4%. Again, XRP up 2%. Bitcoin Cash 8%. Litecoin 6%. Binance Coin 2%. EOS 4%. Monero about 0.5%. And Stellar up 8% on the day. What I want to see, guys, I want to get us above a $300 billion market cap level. For me, that is a key level to watch. I'm hoping we end the day above it. But I can't make any promises. I cannot predict the future. We're almost at $300 billion market cap level. That is what I am looking at. Bitcoin dominance is at 68.3%, and I will catch you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, again, leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I hope you all have a great day. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk.